Hello, and welcome to our channel, a nexus for the inquisitive and perpetually curious. Here, you'll uncover a universe of knowledge that spans everyday life and beyond. Welcome to our Nature Collection series. Here, stunning landscapes, shifting skies, and the quiet rhythms of nature come alive. Whether you seek calm, inspiration, or a moment to reflect, each video is designed to offer a peaceful and immersive experience. In this episode, journey with us to Niagara Falls. Witness the power, grace, and timeless beauty of one of the world's most iconic natural wonders. From cascading waters to rising mist, every moment reveals the majesty of nature in motion. Sit back, relax, and let the sights and sounds of Niagara Falls transport you. Stay with us through the end for the full experience. Thanks for tuning in. If you are enjoying this presentation, you may consider supporting us in one of the following ways. By tapping the Super Thanks button on YouTube, or by using the Buy Me a Coffee link in the description, or scanning the QR code on screen. Your encouragement means a great deal to us. We hope you will stay with us until the end to enjoy the full experience. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Explore our channel, filled with captivating content from our Nature Collection series. But that is not all. Venture beyond the ordinary and explore a wide array of topics on our channel, from everyday wonders to engaging subjects like science, arts, nature, history, technology, and more. If you enjoyed our content, we would truly appreciate your support. Please consider liking, sharing, subscribing, and hitting the bell for notifications. For those wishing to support us further, you may consider one of the following options. By tapping the Super Thanks button on YouTube, or through Buy Me a Coffee using the link in the description, or by scanning the QR code shown on screen. Your support is truly appreciated. Thank you. Before you go, take a moment to explore the related content here. You might just find your next favorite video. Thank you for watching.